Traditional field layout using a tape measure, printed drawings, and field books is a slow, tedious, and error-prone process. Now that many buildings are designed with a building information modeling process, why not leverage this information to make layout easier in the field? Well, now you can with Autodesk Point Layout. This breakthrough method improves office-to-field efficiency, reduces errors, and speeds up your field productivity. Autodesk Point Layout is innovative software for the construction layout process. Point Layout integrates with Autodesk AutoCAD, Autodesk Navisworks, and Autodesk Revit software to automatically create points and transfer them to the robotic total station. Field layout is much faster, easier, and accurate compared to the traditional paper and tape measure methods. BIM data from the model and the total station can be imported and exported to capture as-built conditions. By sending data to and from the field, Point Layout not only helps to improve the speed and accuracy of installation, it also captures installed positions for quality control and assurance. Complete layout with more accuracy and less man-hours, helping to save time and money. Point Layout can also help reduce crew size and time on site, resulting in improved project safety. Point Layout effectively bridges the gap between CAD or BIM and the field to streamline and accelerate the entire BIM design to field construction workflow. Build projects faster, more accurately, on time, and on budget with Autodesk Point Layout.